Hello Year 8, just me touching base with you again for our fortnightly assembly. I hope you all had a lovely half term. I know that myself and my family really appreciated the week off away from the screens and spending a bit of time just having more walks and just spending a bit more quality time together, and I'm sure you guys did too. There's been a lot of talk this week about when you're starting back in school. Unfortunately, it looks like you guys won't be back in school until after Easter, which is a little later than I would have hoped for. So we're going to continue with remote learning until that time. And I have to just try and encourage you. You've been doing a brilliant job with remote learning. Just try and keep attending all your Zoom classes. Try and ensure that you're submitting your work on time and taking and scoring it off as a task when you have submitted it. And if you're not sure about something, please ask your teacher or your tutor instead of just sitting and worrying about it. They're very happy to help, and they'd be more than happy to help make you sure you get the work done. To try and encourage you a little bit more, we have set up digital badges, and Mr. Walker has very kindly set it up. I'm not going to take any credit for it. This is a way of trying to reward you and recognise all the hard work that you've been doing during lockdown. It's not just the things you're doing with regard to schoolwork, but other things that you're doing at home as well. You have to be signed into your CCB learning account to claim your badges, and I have set out a little task for you in Firefly with more information on this, with a little YouTube video for you to watch and see what happens and what you have to do, and just a little bit more information on it than I would be able to give you here. There's lots of different badges, some for very practical achievements, some for your learning aspects, and some for being a helper as well, or things that you're doing outside of school. We will release 4 badges each week or in around that. So the first 4 have been released, and they will run since yesterday, which Thursday I suppose in your terms, until for a following week, and they'll be released then every Monday after that. So therefore, a Tutor Award, Firefly Expert, Helpful Helper Badge, and Dr. Breen's Countryfile Challenge number 1. So there's a little bit more information on each of those if you click on it as to what you need to do to gain that reward. And I think it's a really good thing to try and get involved in, and it's a really good use of trying to show what you have achieved during this remote learning. February on the floor, I have to say a massive well done to everybody who's been involved in this, and I did send out a little Firefly message on this as well, because Mrs. Johnson has been so happy with people who have got involved in it. I also asked that people would send in photographs so we can make a little montage of everybody that's been involved. So thank you already to all of those who have sent in their photographs, and it's been really nice to see you getting involved along with other members of your family and also your pets. And I have to say that I'm really overwhelmed by the level of effort that you guys have put into this, and also the amount of money that some of you have raised. And a special shout out I think has to go to Robbie Cairns with regards to the amount of money that he has raised for it and contributed towards the charity itself. So well done to that as well. It's going to be a little bit of time until we see you again, and with that I just want to tell you and just encourage you to keep working hard. Remember, we'll try and meet up with you again maybe in a couple of weeks' time instead of having a tutor group. So, because I really enjoyed meeting up with your different groups at that stage before half term. But in the meantime, keep up the hard work, take care and keep safe.